It's your boy T. Check. It's 2010. I been killed on 9. Smoking on that good with the money on my mind. Niggas hate on me cause my girl is that fine. But I always keep a couple killers with me like plies. Try to count my money but I always lose count. Can't fit the bank account so I bought the bank out. Colin breath stinks. It smell like trout. Can you see me? Can you see me? I am untouchable. That didn't even rhyme. I don't rhyme. I don't do a dime. I don't even do nothing. I am so broke. Oh my gosh. Feeling like I'm hope. Don't have no hope. Don't make no sense. I failed first grade. Now it makes sense. Now it makes sense. Now it makes sense. I got y'all later. I just had to get Colin. I don't know I got him. Cause he texted me today like a faggot. But I didn't really wanna care. I was waiting on this part just to tell him that I'm here. I am here, no touching none up on the chair. And it smell like balls just like underwear. Peace out. Close boys link. Got him.